Minecraft Dungeons is the best.
You like it?
Yeah.
Jay, you gonna put his
Yeah,
car
I'm
together.
putting-
What kind of car is it again?
Stock car, it's a Chevrolet Impala. I
Oh,
think.
yeah, okay.
Wait, hold on. No, it's a Chevrolet Camaro, sorry.
Thought so.
Camaro?
Yeah, it's a
Camaro,
Camaro.
yeah.
Really drive this car. Mom would totally-
Giovanni, what's your Minecraft thing?
My Minecraft thing?
Yeah.
My socks?
You got
Oh.
socks? You got what else did you
This
get?
badge, I think. And I'm pulling out some, ooh! A metal badge. Ooh. For the Redstone Monstrosity metal badge.
Is that what it is? What's
Whoa.
this? It's a hat?
This is so cool.
Whoa! Hang on,
It's a
what I
hat.
dropped? What I dropped there?
It's just this.
Is this even...
It's just, a pig.
Okay. Do you like the hat?
Yeah, I love it.
It's a little big on you, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit. But
Oh, it's a
look at
patch.
this
It's a
metal.
patch, kiddo.
Yeah, a
They're
patch.
patches.
A patch.
Iron on patches.
Huh. Patches.
That's garbage.
Now let's open the pig. The
What
Minecraft
is it?
Dungeon pig.
What is this?
This is a cool piggy bank and a toy.
Okay.
It's like a piggy bank toy. A piggy bank toy. Whoa.
What is this thing? What's this coin thing?
That coin thing? That's, I think it's I don't know what that is.
Sucks.
Look, a piggy bank.
Oh, cool.
My own piggy bank. A Minecraft Dungeons piggy bank.
Awesome.
I want to open the bottom thing. Okay.
Okay.
Bottom part.
Do you want to keep the packaging or no?
Yeah.
You do?
Packaging.
Okay.
I want to keep the packaging.
Okay. Yeah, just put this back in here. Is that all that's in that
Huh?
box?
I think so. Wait, let me check.
Is that all it is?
Yeah, all that's in the box.
Okay, cool.
This gift is so cool. I literally.
You like it, huh?
Yeah, I love it. I don't like it. I love
I
it.
thought you would. I thought you'd like
I
it.
love it. I love it. Look, Among Us.
A what?
Among Us.
Oh, Among Us.
Yeah, I played
is
this
it?
game. It's a fun game. Got the
Okay.
game. It's an Among Us.
I love you, kiddo.
Among Us.
Jay, how you doing over there?
What
Good.
one
Let
says
me see.
play? What one says? What does this say?
Online
What does this say?
logo.
What does this say?
How to play.
What does this say?
Free play. Sound it out. You know, you can read. Do you want some chicken, Jay?
Sure.
Play.
Giovanni?
No.
No, right
Okay.
now? Do you want some calamari with dip?
Ooh, I
Fried
can play
plantains
Among
or
Us
fruit? It's all here, okay? You're
Player.
hungry.
now. I'm a player now.
Okay. The rest of the gifts you want, listen, you can open for Christmas, okay?
Yep.
Look at me.
Yes.
Save, so you're able to open these ones right now, okay?
Yep.
But save these other ones for Christmas, okay? And tell Brianna that there's dresses in there for Remy and
Sure.
Sophia, okay?
Sure.
Okay. Love you, kiddo.
Love you.
Jay.
Yeah.